I'm froze. But another successful beach explorer, treasure hunting on a Newfoundland beach. I did quite well, and I'm going to show you some of my treasures. The sea treasures I find on this beach are absolutely shocking and quite impressive. Lots of garbage too, and lots of debris. You're welcome to join me this morning on this very cold December morning here in Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. We're going to explore this beach together. Must put on my gloves though, because as I said, it is quite cold. It's a -4 this morning, and it's a perfect morning for a beach exploration. This is my go-to beach, folks. It's the only beach that I explore here in Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. And I find lots and lots of sea treasures, lots and lots of debris and stuff like that, as I said earlier. But a lot of things get washed ashore on this beach. It comes up from the eastern seaboard. It comes up from the east coast of the United States. It's brought up by the Gulf Stream, of course, which is the prevailing current in the Atlantic Ocean along our shores. Lots and lots of sea treasures and lots of debris. I like collecting the Seaglass, and quite a lot of it actually washes ashore here, and I have amassed quite a collection. You're welcome to follow along with me as we explore this beach, looking for lots and lots of treasures this morning. If I find anything of interest, quite interesting, I'll most certainly stop, do a little video clip, and share my finds with you. So stay with me in this video, folks. This is Garry from GBL, the old church, 5-acre homestead. And I didn't get very far, folks, when I found my very first piece of sea treasure. Look right here in the camera, and you'll see a very large piece of green Seaglass. Look at that. That's a gorgeous piece of Seaglass, isn't it? Awesome indeed. We'll keep exploring, and I'll keep collecting and sharing it with you. An interesting piece of Seaglass. Must have just got washed up. It must have just got washed up on the tide last night or earlier this morning. So I found that one just a second ago, and if I turn about 90 degrees and walk up this beach, and you follow me, folks, here's a second piece that came in probably yesterday and only a few feet away. Here's a third piece that's just a bit bigger, 3 pieces of clear, and if I go back down by the water's edge, straight down by the water's edge again, there's a 4th piece of clear Seaglass. Look at that, 4 pieces in just a few seconds, a few steps away from each other along this beautiful beach. I wanted to show you this particular find, my first piece of blue Seaglass this morning. A beautiful piece, and if I walk a little bit further, I'll show you a very large piece of clear that looks like it was the bottom of a bottle or a jar. Look at that, very large piece. It is indeed a cold one, folks. When I started this beach explore, I turned to the right and I went down the length of the beach in that particular direction. I've got that beach covered now, and I found some very interesting things. You can see Freebie up over my shoulder. That's where I parked her to. About an hour ago now, I've been exploring. I'm going to turn in the left direction and go up that way and see what else I can find. I've got some interesting things to show you, so stay with me. Stay with Mr. Garry and GBL, the old church, 5-acre homestead, as we explore this Newfoundland and Labrador beach. I am nearly froze, folks, but I did find some things on this beach today. a seashell attached to some seaweed there, a piece of coral also attached to some seaweed, and it kind of reminded me of a piece of mistletoe. And I wonder if I took it home, would Miss Betty give me a kiss if I took that piece of seaweed and coral home? Probably not a good idea. I found a carabiner, and I have a use for that, so that will be going on with me. A piece of copper pipe, a water bottle, and a piece of twisted up wire. A few things that I'll take home that will go in the recycle bin or in the garbage. I found a cover to a bucket. I need a cover for a bucket. I got lots of buckets without covers, so that's going to come in handy. But my biggest find today is this bag right here. Look at that. Look at all the sea glass I found today. My bag is nearly to the rim. Lots and lots and lots of sea glass to add to my collection. When I get home, I'll be cleaning all that sea glass up. I have a special container to put it in, and myself and Miss Betty will clean all that up, and I'll put that on display, and I'll show you another picture of that sea glass all cleaned up. I'll be taking on my carabiner, as I said, right there, and the cover to that bucket. But look also what I found. What an interesting rock. It's a beach rock that I found. I just cleaned it off a little bit with some salt water from the beach here. But that's going to go home. I'll put that on a bookshelf and do a little bit of research onto it. I have some geologist friends. You might be able to tell me what kind of rock it is. It's very interesting. A very dark red, like a brick red. A cold day, a chilly day here in Newfoundland. It is a -4 when I started this morning. It's still around that, probably even colder. My hands are numb, but I'll chat with you when I get home one more time. I'm in the process of sorting out the sea glass and cleaning it all up. Like I said, lots of variety here. Look at that nice big piece right there. Okay, I'll continue taking it out of this dish right here that I've been soaking the glass in to get all the debris and rocks and sand and all that out of it. I'll put them out on that cloth and I'll show that to you in a few seconds. Seaglass finds from today's treasure hunt. Beachwalk, folks, right here in Newfoundland and Labrador. I've already cleaned all the glass that I found this morning. Lots of interesting clear pieces, some with designs, some with words and writing. Interesting indeed. Large selection of white here. One there with a nice flower onto it. A collection of green. Some browns, mostly from beer bottles, I would think. A little selection of blue, interesting as well. And that rock that I found, it's a rare jasper rock. Jasper is the kind of rock that it is. So interesting indeed. That'll go on a shelf and we'll keep that and put that on display. So a fine selection of sea glass found today during a beach explore right here in Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada.